Hey guys, so in this tutorial, I want to share with you a graph that will randomize two different curtain panels to achieve a gradient effect. So let's get started. First, I will create a curtain wall. Then I will change the vertical grid layout and horizontal grid layout to maximum spacing with a spacing of 500 millimeters. Okay. Now I will create two different curtain panel families, black and white, with the black and white materials. Okay, and now I will change all of my curtain panels to the black curtain panel family. Okay, and let's hide our levels. Okay, and let's jump into Dynamo. First, I will get a select model element to select my curtain wall. Then from the Archilab package, I will get three nodes, the curtain grids, the vertical grid line numbers, and the horizontal grid line numbers. I will create a code block and add one to the vertical grid line numbers to get the number of the columns. And let's run. Okay. Then I will create a sequence out of the columns numbers with an increment of 1. Then I will remap these numbers from 0 to the number of the horizontal grid lines. Let's run. Now we have doubles going from 0 to 15. Let's get some integers out of these numbers using the ceiling rounding. And let's run. Okay. Now let's reverse our list. And let's repeat two items that will represent our curtain panel, our two different curtain panels. I will use two integers as items, 0 and 1. This is the first item, this is the second item. This is the first amount, and this is the second amount. Let's run. Okay, now we have sublists of progressive zeros and sublists of regressive ones. Okay, now let's host these two lists within one parent list. And let's transpose these two lists to merge them together. Okay. And let's flatten. At level 3. And let's run. Okay, now we have sublists of zeros and ones Now let's get the hero of our tutorial, the shuffle node. We can use either the shuffle or the shuffle with the seed for different results, to get different results for our gradient effect. I will select for now the normal shuffle without a seed, and I will shuffle on level 2. And let's run. Okay, perfect. So now let's get our curtain panels. And let's chop our curtain panels based on the number of the columns. And let's run. And now let's transpose to get the curtain panels organized by columns. Okay, now we have in each sublist 16 curtain panel sorted by columns. Now let's take some items out of our curtain panels. And both of them at level 1. So this is the amount, and this is the list. And let's run. Okay. So we have taken almost around the half of our curtain panels. Now let's get a set parameter by name node. These will be my elements. My parameter name will be type, and the value will be family types. And the family type will be the system panel white. Okay. Now let's test our graph. Let's run. Perfect. So this is the effect that you are after. Now for different results or more options, I will get myself a floor rounding. Put round. Okay. And I will get an if statement with a Boolean as a tester. Okay. Let's undo. And for better results, it's better to save the graph and reopen it. Now let's test the floor option to get a lesser spread of the effect over the curtain wall. Okay. And for a wider spread, we will get the ceiling grounding. Okay, perfect. So this is a tutorial I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new in Dynamo. Thank you. Take care.